Sir, I don't have the data regarding the fixing of.
I have data with me, Mr. Ranganath. I have data. Do you think that we don't have data?
Sir,
and with regard to Durgam Cherugu, of course, it is not there before me. Government has appointed 5-man committee long back, 2008 or 10. Even then, now you are 5-man committee submitted report. Even then, now you are issuing notices under section 23 of the Vault Act.
Sir, that is not from issue. We don't issue any.
That's what is happening in this state. That is what is happening. And what is your plan of action with regard to Musi? Those matters are there today. I granted 20 lunch motions today.
Sir,
what is your action plan?
Sir, Musi Hydra has been. I mean, we are not part of any Musi survey or anywhere, sir. This has been. I mean, we are just roped into Musi. I don't know. I mean, could be the what could be the I don't know, sir. What would be the plan for roping in? We have never been part of the survey, also, sir. We have never been Musi also. We are.
I gave an example. Tomorrow, Charminar Tahsildar will request you to provide men and machinery. One second. Tomorrow, Tahsildar Charminar will request you to provide men and machinery to demolish unauthorized construction. He will not reveal you the fact. Tomorrow, he will come and demolish High Court. Who is at fault? Tell me. Your men and machinery are at fault or not?
Sir, we have highest regard for the law, sir, and we will definitely.
Where is the highest regard, Mr. Ranganath, in this particular case? Shall I tell you the dates again?
Sir,
shall I tell you the dates again? 1 second.
Sir.
I'll tell you the dates again in this case. 7/4/2021 is the date of registration. 10/11/2022 is the date of permission obtained by the petitioner from Gram Panchayat, Kistaredi, right? So the Gram Panchayat tried to interfere with his position. He filed 2 writ petitions. Thereafter, 1 writ petition against Hydra. It came up for hearing on 5/9/2024. Your counsel said you will follow GOMS number 99. I have recorded it. 2/4/2024, Tahsildar issued a notice under section 7. He has submitted representation on 15/4 with a request to grant 15 days time to submit explanation. 18/4 explanation was submitted. She has waited up to 20th September 2024. She has passed a speaking order on 20th September 2024 without putting the petitioner on notice, without even affording opportunity. 20th September, she has issued a notice requesting the petitioner to vacate the premises within 48 hours. Is it not our duty to wait for 48 hours? Is it not our duty to wait for Monday? Why you are providing men and machinery support to the Tahsildar to do a illegal thing on a Sunday? Is it not your duty to check all these things? Kunta undandi akkada?
Kunta akkada mottam dadapu almost encroach ayipindi, sir.
What is Nallakunta andi? What is Nallakunta? Unda Kunta? Akkada manchi buildings vachinayi. So overnight, can you, 1 second, overnight can you change this city, Mr. Ranganath?
Sir, ఉన్నదాన్ని కాపాడుకోవడానికి ప్రయత్నం, sir.
మరి పాతది బతుకమ్మకుంటే ఏం కావాలి? 1 second, నేను అడుగుతా కదా అన్ని. I know all kattas. Do you think that I don't know any katta? There is one more katta, talab katta. Katta is different from kunta. Katta ante bandaya. What are you doing, Mr. Ranganath? You have to get some information. 1 second, did you go to Ibrahimpatnam tank at any point of time?
No, sir.
It's a huge tank. It's a huge tank.
Yes, sir.
You know what is the object of that particular tank? Since I came to Hyderabad in the year 1983, from 1983, except 1 year, I have not seen water in Ibrahimpatnam tank. Since last 40 years, I came to Hyderabad from a small village in 1983. I am visiting Ibrahimpatnam almost yearly once. I never seen water. Do you know how to fix up FTL?
Yes.
Do you know the guidelines issued by
Yes,
CCLA? Do you know a judgment passed by a judge of this court?
Yes.
He said, this court said, please consider memos, collect it, then fix up FTL. Without fixing FTL, how can you say that this particular property is an FTL? How many final notifications were issued within Hyderabad, within Ring Road, ORR?
Sir, yes, sir. We have more than almost 1,320 preliminary notifications, sir.
Not preliminary, I am asking you final notifications. But there is lot of communication gap between your counsel and you. You are concentrating only on demolitions. You are not giving instructions to your council and also to the government pleader revenue. Yes,
One submission,
Mr.
one submission. Semarwa is saying that it was served on 28th September, Milord. I have the CC footage, Milord. 21/9.
I'll join
How
you.
she is
Government pleader revenue today. Are you happy with the whole thing, Mr. Certainly you can. Normally, since last 5 years, normal I don't, one second, I will don't order appearance of any officer. Normally, in rarest of rare cases, I am ordering appearance of officers. This is rarest of rare case. There is every violation at every stage. You are right. So, though there is an appeal, still writ is maintainable, willful, latest judgment of Commissioner Income Tax. So, in this case, everything, every stage why there is violation. See the speaking order 20th. There is no reference to 15.4. There is no reference to 18.4. Forget about providing opportunity. అంత హడావిడి ఏంటండి ఆమెకు సండే రోజు డిమాలిష్ చేయాల్సిన ఆడ